The advancement in crypto technology required a user-friendly interface to help people use the new financial landscape of digital currencies. The creators of Swissborg recognized the necessity for such a system to deal with the complexity of cryptocurrencies, unstandardized tools, and dispersed infrastructure. In this video, we shall discuss in detail about Swissborg platform, its cryptocurrency, fundamental and technical analysis, maximum and minimum price value, average trading price, and CHSB price predictions. Swissborg is a safe fund management tool built on the blockchain for crypto investments. It is the first of its type, and its goal is to simplify trading in cryptocurrencies. It accomplishes this via various techniques, such as integrating a model owned by the community, DeFi protocols, and the leading cryptocurrency platforms. The Swissborg app, accessible for Android and iOS smartphones, makes it much simpler to access the platform. The awards won by the Swissborg team are outstanding, not only in terms of adoption and growth but also in terms of the 4.5-star reviews the app has received, in addition to winning the Best Swiss FinTech Company and the Project of the Year awards. The project's top accomplishments include raising $53 million in funding, building a sizable community, reaching a $1 billion valuation, releasing 2 notable apps, creating the tremendously famous Smart Yield wallets, creating the Swissborg DAO, taking community-led initiatives, and having a high adoption rate for the CHSB token. Swissborg prioritizes the security of the system and the protection of users' funds since they are aware of the risks posed by hackers. As a result, they have made significant investments in security procedures such as developing cutting-edge security software, system stress tests, and MPC cryptography. The keyless MPC, multi-party computation, technique is highly safe because it does not need to generate a secret key, making it impossible to compromise. This improves the platform's security by removing a single point of failure. MPC functions by allowing many parties to work together to conduct mathematical calculations without giving any information to the other parties. Swissborg is currently worth $0.215088 CHSB has moved -5.27% in the last 24 hours with a trading volume of $336,845. Swissborg is currently ranked 113 amongst all cryptocurrencies with a market capitalization of $218,147,241. Swissborg price prediction 2022. Swissborg, according to some, is one of the most amazing cryptocurrencies to rise this year. The CHSB price forecast for 2022 anticipates a significant increase in the year's second half, possibly reaching $0.322658. As with other cryptocurrencies, the rise will be gradual, but no considerable drops are expected. Averaging $0.301,148 in price is quite ambitious, but it is feasible in the near future given anticipated collaborations and advancements. CHSB is expected to have a minimum value of $0.258127. Swissborg price prediction 2023. In 2023, Swissborg price prediction has much room for expansion. As a result of the potential announcements of numerous new partnerships and initiatives, we anticipate that the price of CHSB will soon surpass $0.537764. However, we should wait to see if the CHSB's relative strength index comes out of the oversold zone before placing any bullish bets. Considering the market volatility, CHSB will trade with a minimum trading price of $0.430211 and an average trading price of $0.473232. Swissborg price prediction 2024. If the upward trend continues until 2024, it could reach $0.752870 and CHSB may profit. If the market experiences a decline, the goal may not be met. CHSB is expected to trade at an average price of $0.688338 and a low of $0.645317 in 2024. Swissborg price prediction 2025. If Swissborg successfully boosts market sentiment among cryptocurrency enthusiasts, the CHSB coin price could remain stable for the next 5 years. According to our projections, CHSB will be green in 2025. The CHSB is expected to reach and surpass its all-time high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual currency will be worth $0.967975, with a minimum price of $0.860423 and an average price of $0.903444. Swissborg price prediction 2026. After some extensive forecasting and technical analysis, we estimate the CHSB price is expected to cross an average price level of $1.12 by 2026, with a minimum price of $1.08 expected before the end of the year. Furthermore, CHSB has a maximum price value of $1.18. Swissborg Price Prediction 2027. Due to the future partnerships that are expected to happen by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish trend will continue, bringing the average price to around $1.33. If CHSB manages to break the resistant level in 2027, we could see a maximum price of $1.40. Failing to gather the support CHSB needs by 2027 could result in a low of $1.29. Swissborg Price Prediction 2028. While CHSB is striving towards interoperability between networks to hasten interaction, the bullish trend from the previous year is expected to continue. So the minimum trade price has been placed at $1.51 and a yearly price close above $1.61 in 2028. Swissborg Price Prediction 2029. By 2029, Swissborg will finally surpass its previous all-time high values and record new price levels. The minimum price could be $1.72 and potentially reach a maximum price value of $1.83, averaging out at $1.76. Swissborg Price Prediction 2030. In 2030, we are expecting cryptocurrency to have gained adoption across many sectors. As such, the maximum CHSB price in 2030 is projected to be $2.11 in the event of a bull run, with an average price level of $2.02. Swissborg is creating one of the most robust communities in the cryptocurrency sector. The success of any platform depends on its user base's strength, and the platform isn't just building a user base but a real financial community. There are several incentives to join the Swissborg community and join the network. If you are thinking of investing in Swissborg tokens, you should conduct your own research, predict minimum and maximum price levels, and stay updated on any changes in the Swissborg network that might help or hurt the company's prospects. Investment carries some risk. Thus, you should do your homework and never risk money that you cannot manage to lose.